What's going on, guys? Before we get started, I'd like to point out that my jacket and my shorts are the exact same color. Almost 4 years ago, on April 21st, 2021, I released a video on how me and my wife installed this DIY paver patio. We decided to do it ourselves instead of hiring professionals. So let's take a closer look and we'll see if there's been any issues with it, okay? There's obviously areas that you can see maybe aren't perfectly level. We did not get the exact angle right, so it does not hold water at all. The water all goes this way. But there are spots that could have been done a little better. My wife and I did not use a tamper to tamp down the paver base. If you're going to do this yourself, spend more time doing that. Make sure it's perfectly pressed down and compacted so that when you put the pavers on, it won't settle. So I'm going to take care of this spot today. You can see this corner right here. This is the only spot that's completely just kind of sunken away. And you can see how this corner right here is completely just gone past the level of the soil and it's gotten covered up. It's just a layer of dirt there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these four, pull them out, put a little bit more paver base right here, and then put them back down and just kind of take care of this area. And I just happen to have this one bag left from the project. It's been sitting in my garage for 4 stinking years. Don't forget to protect your handsies. You don't say that, then I'm wearing flip-flops to do this. Put my hand up there. There we go. Let me go ahead and get these other 4 up and I'll come back to you. There we go. I'm just going to put some handfuls of paver base in here. There's most of it on this side, of course, where the low part is. And I'll try to just kind of, as it goes that way, it'll thin out. Looks like I need a little bit more right here in the middle, so let me go ahead and get these out. Put a little more in the middle, and I'll put them back and we'll come back to you. So was this worth it? I would say yes. We saved a heck of a ton of money by doing it ourselves. It actually turned out okay. The one thing I would say is I do wish we would have gone thicker on the paver base. So if you're going to do it yourself, go the full 4 inches like it says, because it will settle a little bit. So it has settled over time and gotten closer to the level of the dirt around it, which means water can get up on it when it rains. But we thought we had enough paver base, only ended up with about 2 inches, and at that point we couldn't spend any more money on this, so we had to just go with it. We took a chance. You know, it didn't turn out too bad. Yeah, a few spots here and there that need to be fixed, but overall it's been great. Now my wife and I hardly ever come out here, but our kids are out here all the time. They come out here with their friends and hang out, so it's been great. We love it. We've got some lights hanging up. I'll show you a picture of it with the lights on here in a second. Go ahead and check out our install video, how we actually did this, to kind of get an idea of what it looks like for inexperienced, average homeowners installing something like this, okay? Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.